This is a British made batten holder, bayonet cap, so it takes a standard B22 light bulb. It has a domed section here where you can facilitate making connections depending on where your connections are on the panel that you're fixing it to. So it has a shade ring here which can be unscrewed like this. It means you can fit a shade to it. Then we have the union ring here which connects the batten to the main body of the lamp holder. We have the porcelain insert with the brass terminals here. So how it works is your 3-core cable comes up from the panel up into the holder. The live and neutral goes into these 2 terminals here, and it doesn't matter which one they go into. Live and neutral are equal on the bayonet. And then your earth will go into that terminal there and then secured from the outside, so the fitting is earthed. So once that's in place, it's got the pips there and then the pips on the side there, that just fits down onto the holder, and then you can secure this back like that. I will also point out that it has got the 2 fixing holes for this batten holder. These 2 here are the correct spacing for mounting to a BESA box, and this can be mounted onto a standard conduit box.